Super Penguin's time to shine. Let's tune this chaos into calm.
Let's keep the city bright, not burnt. Catch me if you can, Magnet Whiskers.
Let's keep using our superpower to stop him.
You penguins don't understand. I used to fix broken robots, but nobody cared about my inventions. So I made the city notice me.
You don't need chaos to get attention. Magnetic Cat, you could power the city's recycling machines with that magnet magic.
Let's use that power to help, not harm. Every hero starts somewhere. To be friends, subscribe, like, and share.